Good morning. Earlier we have studied about share and dividend from concise math. Today we will do the exercise 3A of share and dividend. First question is, how much money will be required to buy 400 rupees 12.50 share at a premium of rupees 1? Listen the question carefully. How much money will be required to buy 400 rupees 12.50 share at a premium of rupees 1? So in question we have given, we will write given number of shares is equal to 400, nominal value is given 12.50, market value will be 12.50 plus 1. Since it is at premium means above the market value, below premium means at a discount means below. So market value is given, no share is given, number of share is given, and nominal value is given. So money invested, how much money required will be equal to money required is equal to number of shares into market value, that is 400 into 13.50, that is equal to rupees, multiply and get. Number 2 question. In second question it is asking to find the money required, same, but here it is given at a discount of rupees 1.50. So number of share is given, number of shares is given 250, nominal value is given 15, and market value will be 15 minus 1.50, because the share at a discount of 1.50, that means the market value is below the nominal value. So we will subtract and get the market value, it will come 13.50. Therefore money required is equal to number of shares into market value, that is 250 into 13.50. No doubt in these two questions. Question number 3. Question number 3. A person buys 120 shares at a nominal value of rupees 40 each. Nominal value is given, number of share is given, which he sells at 42.50 each. Find his profit and profit percent. Means in this question we have to find profit and profit percent. Number of share is given, number of shares is equal to 120, nominal value is equal to rupees 40, selling price of share is equal to 42.50. So profit on each share is equal to 42.50 minus 40, that is 2.50, rupees 2.50. Total profit is equal to profit on one share into number of shares, you will get from here. Therefore percentage profit is equal to profit by total investment into 100, that is profit you will get from here. Total investment will be number of shares into cost of each share. We'll solve like this. Question number 4. Find the cost of 85 shares of rupees 60 each when quoted at 63.25. Cost we have to find of 85 shares, nominal value is 60 and it is quoted as 63, that is cost equal to, we will take the market value into number of shares. Question number 4 you will do yourself. Question number 5. A man invests rupees 800 in buying rupees 5 shares, and when they are selling at a premium of rupees 1.15, he sells all the share. Find his profit and profit percent. A man invests. Question number 5. Understand properly. Money invested is given. Money invested is equal to rupees 800. Nominal value is rupees 5. Number of, therefore, you will find number of shares is equal to 800 divided by 5, that is 160. Market value is nominal value plus at a premium, that is 6.15. Total profit we will find. Total profit is equal to profit on one share into number of shares. Therefore, percentage profit you will find by profit. Percentage profit is equal to profit, total profit divided by investment into 100. Solve this question. You understand this question. Money invested is 800. Nominal value is rupees 5. Number of share is equal to, you will find like this. Then market value will be nominal value plus at a premium, you will add that one. Total profit will be profit on one share into number of shares. Percentage profit will be equal to profit by money invested into 100. So till question number 5 we have done. For next other question, see the next video. Thank you.